Hey, what's going on everyone? My name is Daniel and welcome back for another video. In today's video, we are going to be making the review of the iPhone 8. This is actually a really cool phone to use in 2020, which is actually running on the latest version of iOS, as well as it has the latest hardware and software and the latest specs, all of that which you could actually expect from a new iPhone or an iPhone SE. So the battery capacity is actually 97%, and I've been using this phone for quite a day now, and the battery life has not decreased a little bit much, at least from my expectations. If you take a look at the hardware itself, the hardware is actually pretty cool to see. We've got aluminum chassis, we've got glass on the back, and of course we've got the iconic rubber feeling, or I think what we need to call it as the aluminum bend maybe. It also has that kind of feeling. So of course the speed of the iPhone is actually pretty cool as well. Apps actually open just in a snap, but there is a little bit of lag, just a little bit of lag, which a lot of people I think are not gonna even notice that. But overall the performance is really cool on this phone. So the performance is not a big deal on this phone because it can run, I think, multiple apps more than what I need apps at once. Alright, so it's time to take a look at the camera of this phone. The camera of this phone is actually pretty cool to see. Alright, so the camera on this phone is actually pretty good to see and has no issues for me. The screen of the phone is actually pretty good. I think the lift to wake or the rise to wake is my favorite features of iOS. Now, I think there's something I really need to address here, and that is no headphone jack. Now, coming from a phone that has a headphone jack is actually pretty cool. The phone is actually pretty light and thin, and it actually feels a really premium feel in the hand. So that's actually a plus point, which I really need to see over here. Of course, the another thing which I want to address is the Touch ID. It's the 6th generation Touch ID. It's actually pretty fast to see here, and it actually works 99%. Like, it's really well to see. It's actually a press feature for me, though the overall design